Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? Konnichiwa, konbawa, minasan. How are you? Today, I'm feeling really great. We are going to talk about seeing something new near your home. Hikari, kick it off.
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。 Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
皆さん、konnichiwa again. Hello, this is Percy, your host for the Social English Podcast. Welcome back to today's episode of the podcast. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to the podcast. And if you are a returning listener, thank you for coming back. Please tell your friends and please consider helping out the show at patreon.com/social English. Now, in today's episode, we are going to talk about how to talk about something that you see. Now, today's episode is a long paragraph from a Japanese learner of English, Jun-san. Jun-san. Thank you, Jun-san. Okay. Jun-san asked me to help his English. Okay. So I will fix his English today and we will practice that. Okay. But first, what I want you to do is I want you to picture you and I sitting down at our favorite cafe. You can hear everyone around us and we are relaxed, ready for social English mode. Yes, I am Percy, your friend from America, and we are going to practice social English today. So we are drinking coffee. I am having probably mochaccino. I like mochaccino. It's really good. Maybe you're drinking cappuccino, but we are relaxed. You asked me to help you with English, so I'm going to talk about some English today. The topic, social English repair shop. Social English repair shop. We are going to fix a Japanese person's English today. Please listen carefully. Kite kudasai. Kite kudasai. Okay, so what are we going to talk about? All right, something near your house. Jun-san. Okay, let's listen to this. Jun-san is a friend listener who asked me to fix his English. This is Jun-san's wrong English. Chigaimasu. It's wrong. So let's first listen to Jun-san's English. Kite kudasai. Then I will fix it with conversational social English at the end. Please listen. Kite kudasai. I found a ramen restaurant around my apartment yesterday, but I didn't go. I haven't had McDonald's in a long time since I had that before. I sometimes become to want McDonald's. I know people say McDonald's is not healthy, but actually, I like it. let's do it and listen one more time. I found a ramen restaurant around my apartment yesterday, but I didn't go. I haven't had McDonald's in a long time since I had that before. I sometimes become to want McDonald's. I know people say McDonald's is not healthy, but actually, I like it. LOL. Okay. Did you hear? Did you hear? Okay. If you are a beginner, please listen. If you are medium, please listen. And if you are a higher level Japanese learner of English, please listen. Okay, so we have some problems. Let's talk about those problems. Okay, so there are many problems in Jun-san's English. I will go and fix this one by one. Each sentence. Please listen. 聞いてください. I found a ramen restaurant around my apartment yesterday. I found a ramen restaurant near my apartment yesterday. Or, yesterday, I found a ramen restaurant near my apartment. But I didn't go. However, I didn't go. I haven't had McDonald's in a long time since I had that before. I've had ramen recently, but I haven't had McDonald's. I've had ramen recently, but I haven't had McDonald's. I sometimes become to want McDonald's. Sometimes I crave McDonald's. Sometimes I crave McDonald's. I know people say McDonald's is not healthy, but actually, I like it. I know people say McDonald's is not healthy, but actually, I like it. Okay, this is 2 sentences. This should be 1 sentence. 聞いてください. 1 sentence. 聞いてください. I sometimes want to eat McDonald's. I know people say McDonald's isn't healthy, but I really like it. I know people say McDonald's isn't healthy, but I really like it. Okay. Please listen, 聞いてください. Okay. I am really hoping that you practice. Please practice the words that I said in this lesson, in this episode. Please listen and repeat in this episode what you heard. Please listen carefully. If I spoke too fast, please go back and put this episode at 0.5 speed. Also, please listen to Hikari at the end of this show. So thank you for spending time with me today. That is going to do it for today. That is the end of today's episode. I know you learned something valuable from today's episode. If you like the show, please leave a 5-star review. Come visit us at realsocialenglish.com, where you can get my free download, These 7 Mistakes Most Japanese Learners of English Make and How to Fix Them. You will also find more resources to help you get better at English every single day. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, and now Pandora. Become a patron. Help the show by donating $5 US to help us make this show. We will show you our thanks by me personally thanking you on a future episode. You will also get new content only available there. Join us there at patreon.com/social English. That's patreon.com/social English. Share our podcast on your social media with your friends and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I will see you next time. Peace and love, everyone. Hikari, please finish and close out the show.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.